Capture all your App Store screenshots in one click. We captured the resolution specified there, and there they are. Preview your game on all your devices. Capture all your App Store icons in one click with the Ultimate Screenshot tool. So as you can see there, it went through all the resolutions we needed, and we've got them captured. All the different file sizes on iOS and Android, different types on iOS, they're all there. Capture all your App Store images in one click with the Ultimate Screenshot tool. What's going on here is it's capturing multiple screens of the app simultaneously, putting them in a frame. So that's the device, different devices around it. And it's also going to go through multiple different languages. So we've got multiple languages, multiple screens, and device frame images all captured with just a single press of a button. So it's going through all those, and we can take a look in the screenshots folder, and it's going to be organized by language, also by resolution. So we can see Android, phone tall. We've got the feature screen. It's inset within a device outline, and it's got a little tag on it. And we can also see that in another language. There we go. So this is just one of the many amazing features of the Ultimate Screenshot tool. Capture all your asset store images in one click with the Ultimate Screenshot tool. As you can see, it's capturing all the asset store images for the Ultimate Screenshot tool, Ultimate GIF tool, and the combo. And we can go and view those captured images. So we've got the cards, the icons, and we've got all the screenshots here. We can check out one of those. Looks good.